The pipette tip. Though small in size, its impact and importance in life-saving research is undeniably huge. From genetic analysis to protein research, cellular analysis to drug discovery, researchers rely on pipette tips every day. Without them, tip-based liquid handling and the resulting breakthroughs and discoveries simply could not happen. However, not all tips are the same. For the past 4 decades, we've manufactured and shipped millions of them to labs around the world. Today, our Biomek tips are used to move and dispense the most precious of samples. They enable precise pipetting in the 0.5 microliter to 1 milliliter range, are made only from 100% premium-grade virgin polypropylene, and are free of human and mouse DNA, DNase, RNase, trace metals, and pyrogen endotoxin. To make sure you can get the tips you need when you need them, even when demand soars, we've made significant updates to and investment in our production processes. We've quadrupled our manufacturing capacity for our highly sought-after P50 tips, doubled it for our P250, P1000, and P30, P30XL tips, and enhanced our quality control through additional automation. The end result? An over 80% capacity improvement in our production capabilities. Your next life-changing discoveries are on the horizon, and we're doing everything we can to help get you there faster. Get the peace of mind you deserve with the only pipette tip approved and validated for use with your Biomek automated workstation. Order yours today at Beckman.com.